If you are suffering from carpal tunnel syndrome, you're not alone. Many people think that hand and wrist pain is just something they have to live with, but that isn't true. Carpal tunnel syndrome is not something you should have to endure. I've had patients tell me they struggle with carpal tunnel for years, and they thought they just had to manage it with medication or surgery. That approach can ruin your quality of life. While medications and surgery might provide temporary relief, they often don't address the root cause. This means that you could end up suffering for years without realizing there's a better solution. Now, for carpal tunnel, common symptoms include hand pain, numbness, tingling in the hand or wrist, weakness in the fingers or thumb, and these symptoms can make everyday tasks difficult and frustrating. Some people even have weakness and drop things. Using the TriWell Carpal Tunnel Freedom Program, we take a multi-doctor approach to identify and treat the underlying causes of carpal tunnel syndrome. We believe in a natural, non-invasive technique to help patients overcome this debilitating problem. Our TriWell Carpal Tunnel Freedom Program includes a thorough consultation, a history to find out where you are and why it's so important to get relief of carpal tunnel syndrome now. We use advanced diagnostic testing to determine the underlying root cause of the carpal tunnel symptoms. Our treatments include specific therapies for the hands like the Neuromed, which is a pain block for any kind of hand pain. It literally just blocks the pain. No needles, no drugs. Amazing stuff. Or decompression therapy. Or Trigenics carpal tunnel release therapy. There's certain nutritional recommendations. We do specific testing to find out what nutritionally is allowing the hands to stay bad. There's hand, wrist, and forearm alignment techniques, and the list goes on. Once we know exactly what's causing the carpal tunnel syndrome, it becomes easy to get committed to a scientifically proven program of care that addresses the root cause of your symptoms. Now, I remember when James came in to see me, he had debilitating carpal tunnel pain that affected his work and daily life. He was in terrible pain and out of work and out of options. We applied the TriWell Carpal Tunnel Freedom Program, and within a few short weeks, his pain was gone. And now he's back to work, living his best life. Also, Corey came to see me. He had been having a lot of numbness due to carpal tunnel symptoms, and doctors couldn't figure out what was the cause. So their only recommendation would have been more medication and eventually surgery. Corey needed another option. With our TriWell Carpal Tunnel Freedom Program, we were able to find the root cause of his problem. And now he has no numbness at all. He's back to doing what he wants and enjoying life. Carpal tunnel syndrome can be debilitating and can rob you of the quality of your life. If you've been suffering with chronic carpal tunnel pain, or if you have hand pain, you're not sure, you've never been diagnosed, I want you to call the office and ask for our TriWell Carpal Tunnel Freedom Exam. It could change your life. Call the office today at 724-342